Welcome to 163 Odie Ray Street in Gallatin, Tennessee.
Okay, so the first thing you'll notice when you walk in is the open floor plan and really high cathedral ceilings, which really helps the openness of the house.
This home is listed for $444,900. Again, it is in Gallatin, Tennessee. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath with 1,762 square feet. As you can see, it's an open floor plan. It does have the primary suite on the first floor. This house also has a gas cooktop and a gas oven. It has a really nice outdoor entertaining area. It's all brick on all 4 sides, which is really nice. It does have the laminate floor. It does have a designer tile in the laundry room. This is the half bath. You can see the ornate tile there. This is your primary suite with all the ambient light coming in through those 2 big windows. It does have a really nice shower. This is on the primary suite downstairs with a big walk-in closet. The spindles here are metal, which adds a nice attention to detail. You do have carpeted upstairs with 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Call Mick to see it today, 615-289-4370. Look forward to seeing you.